I'm about to share the 7 easiest steps to kick insulin resistance to the curb without any crazy diets or supplements. Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults has insulin resistance? That's right. It's a silent epidemic impacting our health in ways we can't always see. If you've been feeling sluggish or struggling with weight, this video is for you. Hi friends, today we're diving into insulin resistance, what it is and why it matters. Insulin resistance is when your cells stop responding to insulin properly, leading to higher blood sugar levels. And trust me, addressing this naturally is crucial for your overall health. Stick around and I'll show you how. So, why should we care about insulin resistance? Well, it's linked to some serious health issues like type 2 diabetes, obesity, and even heart disease. When your body can't use insulin effectively, it struggles to manage blood sugar. This can lead to a whole host of problems. The scary part? Many people don't realize they have it until it's too late. Symptoms can be vague, like fatigue, hunger, and even mood swings. We need to tackle this head on, and I'm here to help you understand how to fight back. So, let's get into the good stuff. 7 simple steps to reverse insulin resistance naturally. First up, focus on whole foods. Fill your plate with veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Step 2 is to cut out processed foods. Those sneaky sugars and unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on your insulin sensitivity. Next, let's talk about movement. Regular exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. Step 4 is to manage stress. High stress can lead to insulin resistance, so find ways to relax, whether that's through meditation, yoga, or just a good book. Step 5 is all about sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to help your body recover and balance hormones. Step 6. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body function properly and can aid in weight management. And finally, step 7. Consider dietary supplements like chromium and berberine, which may support insulin sensitivity. Simple, right? Now, if I had to pick one crucial insight from those 7 steps, it would be the importance of whole foods. Focusing on real unprocessed foods not only nourishes your body but also helps keep your blood sugar levels stable. Think of it as giving your body the best fuel possible. This shift can be a game changer for reversing insulin resistance. To wrap it up, let's recap those 7 steps. Embrace whole foods, ditch processed junk, get moving, manage your stress, prioritize sleep, stay hydrated, and consider supplements. By taking these natural actions, you're setting yourself up for a healthier future and fighting back against insulin resistance. Now I want to hear from you. Have you noticed any symptoms of insulin resistance, or have you tried any of these steps? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips. Let's take this journey to better health together.